The judiciary came to spotlight today after 4 suspended members of parliament from the ruling National Resistance Movement say that they had lost faith in the judicial system. The MPs say they had lost faith in the 5-judge bench hearing their case, arguing that Justices Stephen Kavuma, Augustine Nshimye and Richard Butera had already formed an opinion.
Before the hearing can start, the Justice of the Court of Appeal has already determined that we shall appeal, already knowing that the outcome of the matter is already determined. And that's why we said, no, this is no longer a matter for us to stay in court. That's why we protested and we moved out. The reason being that our case is already predetermined.
Stephen Kavuma, he's a promoter of NRM. He has never renounced. We are in a court with the NRM, and a member of NRM is the presiding justice, a promoter.
The MPs, who carried copies of the constitution with them, argued that Justices Kavuma and Nshimye are promoters of the ruling party, which sued them. They say that there is an already existing conflict of interest and no fair judgment can be arrived at.
The promoters, those who signed the papers for the registration of NRM, Justice Nshimye Sebuturo is here, Justice Stephen Kavuma is here. This is their party. And in law it is very clear. The rule of nemo judage in your own cause. And this is the party of NRM, which is their party. We are telling them, Justice Kavuma, because the issue, as I was still there, I first signed, and Stephen Kavuma was pulling the forms from my hands.
The MPs say that this led them to storm out of the court's proceedings on Wednesday. The MPs Theodore Sechikubo, Winfred Nwagaba, Mohamed Nsereko and Barnabas Tenkasimire vowed not to return to the court again.
You have not heard us and you are saying you will appeal. If you have the ruling, you read it for us. We asked to give fresh instructions to our lawyers to demand for this ruling. They even refused our lawyers to get out to give them leave.
They have also hinted on an impending appeal at the Supreme Court. This story was compiled by Faiza Tusime for Top TV News.